بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Dear students, today I am going to teach you page 10. Look at question number 4. Have you looked on the page 5 to fill the blanks? Have a look on the page 5 to fill the blanks. Students, page 5. Look, page 5. On page 5, there are spellings of ordinal numbers. These spellings will help you to solve question 4. Now look question 4 on page 10. Part A. The lion is sitting in the dash window. The lion is sitting in the first window. B. Peacock is sitting in the 19th window. NINETEENTH, 19th window. C. Number 18th comes after 17th. SEVENTEENTH, 17th. D part. Elephant and zebra are sitting in 11th and 20th window. ELEVENTH, 11th and 20th. TWENTIETH, 20th window. Dash is the closest window to the leopard. Monkey is the closest window to the leopard. MONKEY. Monkey. Now look question number 5. Match the following. Question number 5. Match the following. There are ordinal numbers and their spellings. You will match the ordinal numbers with its spelling. Look this one, fifth. You will match it with this spelling, FIFTH, fifth. Look, 12th, TWELFTH, 12th. 17th, SEVENTEENTH, 17th. 9th, NINTH, 9th. 10th, TENTH, 10th. 20th, TWENTITH, 20th. Look, question number 6. Write the next numbers in the blanks. Now follow me. Number A, 48, then 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. Number B, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Part C, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. Part D, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. E, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. Now students, look at question number 7. Write the numbers in words. In words mean in spellings. Look at number 9. Its spelling is N-I-N-E, 9. B part, 39, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. N-I-N-E, 9, 39. C part, 10, T-E-N, 10. D part, 48, F-O-R-T-Y, 40, E-I-G-H-T, 48. Remember students, you will not write U in the spelling of 40. You will just write F-O-R-T-Y. Number 13. Part E, number 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. 54. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. F-O-U-R, 4. 19. N-I-N-E, 9. T-E-E-N, 19. 63. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 63. 28. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 28. Dear students, for your help, I wrote all the blanks in book. You can take help from this book and correct your mistakes in your book from it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.